friends, welcome back to my channel. And so in the last video we have made the indigo plane takeoff at Hubli airport, and so today we have again climbed the tree and making the video of the takeoff of the indigo. This time the aeroplane will be taking at the opposite direction, because at the Hubli airport the direction has been changed from opposite direction. So let's get started. So let's wait till it comes. It has just gone there and it will make U-turn and it will come there. I think it has been accelerated. It's coming. It has been taken off. Wow. So this time it has been taken off opposite direction.
You cannot see the air where it is going.
So that's it for the video, guys. Hope you like, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. So till then, bye bye.